Hi, Adam here, and I'm back with another video of malicious file handler software. In this video, I'll show you how to use wildcards when searching for suspicious or malicious files in your network. Now, I've got a malicious file handler here up and running. I've got an account here with WMI access rights on these machines, including the local host. You can add as many machines as you want. You can do that by IP range or text file, as explained in other videos. So if you know the full name of the file, you can just go with that. So let's say I'm searching for calc.exe. I also want to find out if SVC host. These are all examples. Obviously, when searching for malicious file names, that will be based on threats that you have seen or gotten reports or read in white papers out there. You'll be typing those names here to check if they actually exist in your network. So I'm just using those as pure as an example. So calc.exe, svc host.exe, let's say invoice .exe. So if I do a search for that, the results will the malicious file handler will go and check for the exact file names and their presence on the network. So it's searching, it's already searched the local host. Now it's searching this remote machine, which is a Windows 7. It says he has already found 6 on local host. Now total comes to 15. And the search log here shows you how long it took to do to start and each searches, etc. Now, if you don't know the full file name, let's say you just know the file name, but you don't know the extension, you can just type that, separate by semicolon, add another file, semicolon, add another file, and do a search. And that will return all files regardless of their extension name. So whether it's calc.txt or calc.exe, they will be returned here. So search is running now. Okay, we're up to 18 files. You can just mouse over here to see where this is where the file should be, like SVC host. Admins know it should be in the system. So if it's elsewhere, then you might have a problem. In the let's see, invoice here is sitting on the local, so that looks like a suspicious file, maybe malware. That's what getting into. Same with invoice.zip. So here it's just typed invoice, but returned the exe and the zip out of the versions. It's calc. It did the same with text.exe. All instances in the machines I have here. Now the other way to search will be using wildcards. Now let's say a number of emails came in to a number of users on your company, and they all start with they all start with invoice, and they all have a .exe extension, but they're all different in the dates or what's between invoice and .exe. So let's go with invoice. Wildcard will be adding star.exe. Okay, let's search for that. Now it's important to know that adding wildcards to your search does add tax on performance. It does use up a bit more resources, and it takes a bit more time to return results. Again, it all depends on resource available on a remote computer as well as a network, the speed of your network. So here it returned all variations of invoice, including if there is no character, so invoice.exe, invoice document, those with the various dates, invoice hyphen document. So as well as adding a star in the beginning or at the end of the invoice, let's say that you've got you're looking for a file that ends with 2015, but it starts with different names. So you can add star at the end of the file you're looking for, at the beginning of the file, sorry, you're looking for, and you can run a search. This should return all the files that end with 2015 and has the extension of .exe. Okay, so in addition to that, you can add a start start at the end of the file name. So let's say file name has different beginning, but they all have something like invoice in between or fax in between. That's going to search all files that have fax in the name, whether it's the beginning, the end, and they have a .exe extension, and show you where they are in various machines. So that's it for the ways, the formats of the files you looking to search here with extensions, with not, and especially using wildcards. Thank you.